Welcome back to Halfway Kicks. I go by AJ.
My name is Bendo, and we have our friend here with us.
Our handsome friend here.
Yo, it's Drew.
The voice.
Okay.
If you haven't already,
Fact checker extraordinaire. Sorry, I just wanted to get that out there.
If you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment.
There you go.
We got some big news coming very, very soon on August the 14th, but we're going to have some details in our very next video about a free shoe giveaway.
Did we tell them what the shoe is?
No, you gotta wait till the next video. But the next video, for sure, there's gonna be some details on a free shoe giveaway. So I would say subscribe so you don't miss that video.
Yes.
Yes, subscribe because
subscribe and watch the next video.
Yeah, you won't want to miss it. Again, it's almost 1 year, so we're gonna be giving away something pretty cool.
So in this video, we have the social status Air Penny ones.
Recess.
Why are they called Recess?
Recess collection.
Recess collection. Why is that?
Social Status did a collab before. I think it was last year. It was called Free Lunch.
I remember those.
It was some Nike Dunks.
I didn't
Nike
win.
Dunks.
And strawberry milk.
You
Right?
Sounds good.
I like strawberry milk. Yep.
So they're staying with it like a school theme collection.
School theme.
All right, so James Whitner is the owner and founder of 3 boutiques. You got Social Status,
I'm a Manere, and I think
APB. These are, I believe, his design, right?
His razzle dazzle.
His razzle dazzle. His take. I did hear that originally they made these 2 colorways, and they were gonna pick one. They were going to originally pick one to be released, but they liked them both, so that's why you have both releases. You went for the OG colorway.
Yes, I did.
I went for the Desert Sand, or commonly referred to on StockX as Photon Dust. Which is wrong. It sounds a little weird. Yeah, but I don't know. I really like this. I really like how he blacked out the air bubble on the back.
It's a cool little
yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is. It's a cool little razzle dazzle on there too. See, I picked this one just because I've been waiting to get them. I didn't scratch on the original Penny ones that released a couple of weeks ago, so I was thankful that these came out and I threw these on just because it's the favorite. It's my favorite of the pairs that came in with the shoes. You know, you could change these little swoosh right here. Hey now, there you go. You got the OG little marble on there, and obviously it came with black laces, but I threw these on.
They both came with a variety of different colors. You have the swooshes in there.
Now these ones, I took all of them out. Show that.
Okay, well I got all the laces right here. You can see we got a few. I mean, pick your poison, really.
Yeah, they got a basketball swoosh.
Football.
Football, baseball.
I get
Recess.
it. Recess because either you want to play baseball.
Yeah, anything can happen.
Nobody really plays baseball
No.
during recess.
More like a soccer baseball.
Football and basketball.
All day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I don't really know what to say about these shoes, really. These are the Air Penny ones. They're really nice shoes. I think the quality on these shoes, I think he gave it a little bit of a Manere touch to it because he put some really high quality materials on here. Like the suede on this is super duper soft, super duper.
Yeah, when you wave your fingers at it, you can
like
see.
I have not felt suede this soft. I don't think
in a while.
Like this is really soft. You feel that?
I feel like
You feel it?
You feel it.
I feel like it feels like my cool gray 11s from 2010.
I just realized the little Penny logo right here on the tongue too.
Yeah, and then the Social Status on the back.
I like these shoes a lot, man. You could wear summertime. You could wear these with shorts.
Yep.
You're gonna see a lot of Orlando Magic's Mitchell and Ness shorts with these.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Because I wore the foams and Orlando Magic shorts the other day.
You know, for me, like, I didn't get to hit on the military black 4s, so these are gonna be my like similar vibe
Yeah.
of military Black Forest.
I think the colorway right here is better than the military Black Forest, though. Rather than just
I'm gonna say
plain
that
white.
because I'm biased because I got these and I didn't get those. So I'm gonna agree with you on that one.
All right.
But yeah, man, these are just like my tones. I mean, I don't know if you can tell.
Ah, I see what you did there.
Stop.
Jeez.
All right, let's talk about the box because the box is pretty dope too.
We love the box.
You know, going back to when you used to write essays or standards in school. But the thing is that these boxes are like really matte except for the social status Nike logo.
Can they see that?
Ooh, right there.
Oh, you got good lighting. How do you do that?
Bow.
Bow, bow.
On the inside, you got the paper, which looks like
The notebook.
paper.
Ooh, that is notebook paper.
Yeah.
That's dope.
This is
That's
definitely
our
not
loose leaf.
This is definitely not college rule though.
Yeah, that's
Nah,
that's
is
wide rule.
This would not pass.
Yeah, man, I'm really happy with these shoes. Now, retail on these were $190, 224 after tax, free shipping. I think it was right.
No.
22nd.
Was it?
It was like $20 shipping.
Okay, so
Got it pretty fast though.
yeah, it did come pretty fast. Pause.
Not $20 fast.
Not $20 fast.
But anyway, social status penny ones, man. You guys did a great job on these.
Yeah, man. Shout out to you guys. These are really, really nice.
Mm-hmm. He likes them a lot.
Drew, what do you think about these shoes?
I think they're dope. And then I actually read a little bit more about it. Customers had the option to purchase a pair for themselves as well as enter the details of a person in need or an organization that they want to donate a pair to.
Damn, that's pretty dope.
So I think that's what they did with their other ones.
So you get to buy one and get one free, but you're giving that one
But
away.
it's like a
That's
donation.
like-
Yeah.
That's just
That's
dope,
really
man.
cool.
So it's
Stuff for the
really
community, you know. He's been doing some good
He's
stuff.
yeah, that's
His videos
that's
get me
specialty.
emotional too.
Yeah, man, he's always got some thought behind his releases, and that's, you know, he's not out there just to make the money. That's
No.
cool.
He definitely has a story behind every shoe, which is
I think the type of shoes that you and I tend to go for more is like
Yeah, me
collaborative
too, me too.
shoes. Yeah, collaborative shoes with a story, not just
just because it came out.
Because they're pandas. I don't know.
yeah. Like, what story is that really?
Anyway,
So you know what we haven't done is give our 1 to 10 rating. So
oh yeah.
I think we should start. Let's start with the OG pair. I know you changed the laces, but let's just. What do you give them out of 10?
I'm gonna give these a 9.
Now, are you comparing it to just, you know, the OG, or are you comparing it to just the social status one?
This social status one, just
Okay.
because you could
Same.
interchange a bunch of things on there.
Yeah,
You know?
I think that gives it a lot
a
more.
little bit of an edge.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, so you give it
A 9.
a 9. All right.
Strong 9. Strong 9.
I'm gonna give them an 8, and the only reason I'm giving them an 8 is because I'm giving these a 9, and the only reason why is because these are more my tones. So there you go. What about you, Drew?
I do like the what color is this right here?
sand.
The desert sands a
photon
little bit
colors.
more. I don't know if it's like because of the season. You know, I like light colors as right now.
So you know, like I said earlier in our group chat, that the pennies should stay original colorway
Yeah.
until I seen these ones. I think
Like,
these ones are the only one that's okay. And I think this is like 2022. This desert sand is very in
Yeah.
with essential sweats.
There you go. That's
Don't
what it was.
know. That's how I would razzle dazzle these, but we're gonna see them a lot.
Do you like the black bubble?
I do.
I do.
I really
That's
like
crazy. Like, I would have wanted it like maybe gray,
it. Really?
so you could still kind of like see through it.
Mm.
Maybe like you know how like tinted windows where it's
Yeah.
dark, but you can see through it because it kind of looks like
Like it's too dark.
yeah,
You
it's
didn't
kind
want it
it's
to be
kind
dark.
it kind of looks like it's filled.
My windows are 5%. So I like these
You got the
because you
limo
can't see
tinted bubble.
you can't see through them. But yeah, just
So 9 out of 10 for you.
9 out of 10.
These are
To me, those are 7.5.
7.5, and then you're
I want to say they are both 9s.
Okay.
I like that.
I'm 8 and 9 here. Well, comment down below, I guess. Let us know what you think about these. Which pair do you like more?
Did you get both of them?
And if you have not gotten both of them or either of them, and you do want them, I believe they are still for sale on Social Status's website.
Shout out to Megan.
Shout out to Megan for winning the reverse mochas right after she just won the fragments.
Shout out. And to congratulations to Megan and Catherine for the twin baby boys.
Oh, congratulations.
Beautiful baby boys. Can't wait to see you guys.
Same.
Same.
Social Status anyone recess.
And don't forget to check out our next video for the details on the shoe giveaway. I think that's it, right?
That.
Drew, you got anything else to add?
No. Subscribe, like, and comment.
There you go.
All right.
That's it.
And we'll catch you in the next video.
Peace. Rusty ass motherfucker.
We're terrible. But the materials are not.
Lights down. Press the record.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Fuck, that's stupid. Yeah? Ready? Hit me with a clap. What's up, everybody? Alright. Where'd you go?